How do I store my phone number properly on my phone in case if I lost that phone, so that I can get access to those contacts I already saved before? If this question you've asking to yourself, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do that with an easy step. In case you lost your phone, you can recover the phone numbers back, and then those phone numbers you recovered back and start viewing your status on your WhatsApp. This video is for you. But first of all, before I go ahead to show you guys on how to do that, first of all, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post video, YouTube will notify you. Please, hope you've done that. Thank you for that. Now let's dive into the video, starting right now. So now, what do you need to do now? First of all, this is what you need to do so that you can save your phone number or your contact list and store it in a secure place, so that whenever you lost your phone, then you can get access to those contacts instantly. All the contacts on your phone, you can get access to it instantly without even getting that phone back. Let's say your phone has lost. This is what you need to do. Watch closely. Whenever you are storing a contact on your phone, whenever you are saving a contact on your phone, so let's say I'm just saving this particular number here I'm pressing now on my phone. This thing works everywhere in the world, whether you are in the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, Nigeria, Africa at large, Europe at large. It works everywhere. So let's say you are storing the phone number on your phone. Then once you tap in the phone number, then click on create new contacts. Then make sure that here it's gonna be like this. Let me show you something real quick. This place, so make sure this place that says save to phone, you're gonna set it like this. Tap on the place, select one of your email which you know already know the password. Select one of them and then let it be there. Save all phone numbers, any contact you are saving, save it on inside of your email. In case if you lost access to this one, or you lost this phone, whenever you relog in to a new phone, whenever you log your email to a new phone, all those emails will load up and appear in that same phone, and it is stress-free. It already happened to me when I lost my phone, because I saved most of my contacts on my email, in my email, so it was easy for me to go get those contacts back. So with that said, that is the easiest way for you to do that. So watch, let me just save it as USA Trump. So I just save it as USA Trump. Then you can see I've already selected the email. Make sure you select the email which you know the password. The email which you already know the password, select it, and then after that you click on the good button which is save, and then save the contact. Do you know the benefit of this? Like I already told you, anytime you lost your phone, you can easily get access to those contacts, and those contacts can automatically start viewing your WhatsApp status on your other new phone. So that is it. If you got some value from this video, please consider subscribing. Until I see you guys in my next video. Peace out and one love.